This exam application tutorial is on the topic of lenses. The question for 6 marks: compare the similarities and differences between refracting and reflecting telescopes. In other words, how does each type of telescope focus light from distant objects? How does each type of telescope form an image on our retina? And compare the use of each type of telescope. So firstly, refracting telescopes use an objective lens to refract or focus light. So an objective lens will focus parallel rays of light, so rays of light coming in with an even spacing between them from distant objects. So parallel rays of light from distant objects to form a real image at a focal point. That's how they work. Reflecting telescopes use a concave mirror, so you can see that here, to focus light. So not an objective lens, a concave mirror. You could also call the objective lens a convex lens or converging lens. So this concave mirror will focus light onto a smaller mirror, which you can see here, which reflects light to form the real image over here. Now it says compare, so we've talked about the differences, but they also have similarities. So both use an eyepiece lens to magnify the image. So it takes up more space on our retina, so the distant image actually looks quite big to us. Finally, as reflecting telescopes can collect more light, they can be used to see fainter objects in the sky. Because reflecting telescopes have a larger aperture, larger hole, they can collect more light and see fainter objects in the sky. So that's a key advantage of reflecting telescopes.